Don't think this is normal. No. Clean the bed sheets, Dave. I popped back again to Primark because remember I said that I saw this dress. It was actually two dresses. The other one I looked at it the other day and I was like, this is plain. This is not me. The dress that I got is like this. This dress right here, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh, it's got poppies. Yes. That's what it's got. It's got poppies and like these other blue type of flowers. It's buttoned all the way down and I absolutely love it. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. Now the issue I have with the dress is when you sit down, the buttons go like that. So yeah, the buttons go like that, so they open up. Now usually this type of issue is with people with big busts. So I think I'm in that category, but at the same time, I went a size up and I still had the same issue. So what I'm going to do to fix it is really, really simple. I'm just going to sew it all the way to where the buttons stop opening up on the dress. Also, what I also picked up while I was in Primark, right? I picked up some shirts for the kids. The Lion King, like this shirt. Will you believe that this was £1? I picked up this Avengers shirt for the baby as well. £1. See, £1. I am organising my bag with this bag organiser from Primark, and yeah, I bought it I think 2 years ago and I never like organised my bag. It's just been sitting there unused. I was like, you know what, let me finally organise my bag with this thing and see if it's bag worthy. Yeah, let me do that. Let me get my backpack. Where is my backpack? Here's my backpack again from Primark too. I have a lot of bags from Primark. I can't buy bags from Primark anymore. That I've told myself, don't buy bags from Primark. There's another bag I want to see, I actually want to get, and it's actually in Sainsbury's. I am getting that in the next couple of weeks. Oh, you want to go down? My phone charger, I think I'm gonna put it in this pocket here. You guys know what these are for online banking. These little pockets in here. Hand cream. Ooh, you need hand cream. So yep, we've got a pocket here. Pen. You know what, turn that around because you know it's sometimes if you turn it this way, you might get a little pen mark here. So turn it the other side around. Hand sanitizer. Put that in there. And then I'm gonna put all my cards into my purse. I need a new purse. This one's broken. It was from TK Maxx and I've had it for like 2-3 years now. Not 2 years. 4 years. I have had it for 4 years. I've had it since Amos was born. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is old. And then this one I use for like contactless when I'm like trains and buses and stuff. So it's got bank cards in here, but like I like to keep that separate. So purse is gonna go in the middle here. Oh yeah, we've got a little side pocket here. There. This is actually really good. Really. Oh, you do this. A moment of truth. Will it fit? Will it fit? Oh yeah, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. Fix the bag all real nice and good. Bag is organised. Done my shopping list. Always a shopping list. I'll show you guys the Primark dress that I sewed the other day. The try on. I wore it the other day after I sewed it. I haven't showed you guys how it looks yet. So let me go and do that. This is the Primark dress. I have a problem with because I've got a size 20. It's a bit baggy around here because I'm not a size 20. I just wanted to go up a size just to make sure it fits. Tie back at the back. It hides the mum tum slightly. I mean, if I go this way, you'll be able to see it. The sleeves are a bit longer, but to be honest, I kind of like the sleeves up like this. It's long all the way down to my feet. And it's a V-neck. I've sewn it all the way down to like the hem of the dress. Also at the bottom, it's slightly slit. I feel like on me, it's not. I'm not doing it justice. I think so maybe on someone else it would look just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I sewed it all the way down to the hem of the dress. So yeah, it doesn't open up anymore when I sit down. So good.